To have tomato seeds to grow, I choose to sow seeds directly from tomatoes. We put soil in a suitable nursery pot and take seeds from tomatoes and put them in soil, and we just water them evenly and keep them in a cool place. While waiting for the tomato seeds to germinate, we will make pots to plant them in. I chose 4 plastic pots with drainage holes to avoid waterlogging. To keep the plants moist, I use an automatic watering method. I use a plastic bottle combined with a wet towel. This method is great. The plants are always supplied with water slowly, always moist. And it's time we prepare the soil for planting tomatoes. To make the soil more porous, I chose to mix more rice husks into the soil. In addition to making the soil loose, rice husks also provide long-term nutrients for plants, prevent soil erosion, and are environmentally friendly. After 6 days, the seeds will sprout and it's time to plant them. After planting, to help the plants develop better roots, I use a medicine that is non-toxic to humans, mixed with water and put in each bottle. Tomatoes are 12 days old, and the roots have taken root. Now, we need to take care of them for the first time. To provide long-term nutrition for plants, I choose organic pellet fertilizer for plants. Organic fertilizer is good for plants and harmless to humans. To provide space for the plant to grow and for the roots to anchor themselves in the soil, helping the plant withstand the weather, I will add soil to each plant. And we need to pay attention to keep the plant moist. Always maintain water supplementation at each stage. When tomatoes are 20 days old, the plants are about to flower and need a lot of nutrients to grow, so we need to take good care of them. In addition to organic fertilizer, I also use vitamin B1 mixed with water and water each plant. Vitamin B1 provides extra nutrients to plants and stimulates more flowering. When tomatoes are 30 days old, they will flower. To produce better fruit, we need to add more nutrients and prevent diseases for the plants at this stage. First, I will rehydrate the plant to help it have enough stable moisture to grow. I will tell you a little secret to keep pests away from your plants. We use a clove of onion mixed with water and spray it evenly on the plants. It will help fight pests. What do you think? Great, right? After 2 months, the tomatoes have produced many big, beautiful, ripe fruits. Okay, now we can harvest. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.